Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting both phones ready. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on and that both phones can see each other. Open the screen mirroring or cast feature on the target phone and the source phone so they are discoverable. Once done, grant any local network or media permissions the system asks for. Without those, the connection will fail. Make sure both devices stay awake during setup and keep notifications muted so pop-ups don't interrupt the discovery step. Now you initiate the actual pairing. On the source phone, tap Cast, Share Screen, or Smart View and wait for the target phone to appear. When the target name shows, select it and then immediately look at the target phone to accept the incoming connection. If a PIN or code appears, type or confirm it so both phones trust each other. Once connected, you can choose to enable audio, orientation lock, or full screen mirroring depending on your goal. Finish by checking the mirrored display for proper orientation and clarity. Tweak resolution or app settings on the source phone if available. When you're done, stop mirroring from either device to end the session cleanly and free system resources. If the screen lags, disconnect and reconnect after restarting Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. If the phones still won't pair, reboot both devices and confirm they are on the same network. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.